You know, once upon a time, I also didn't have enough money for everything I wanted. I couldn't even imagine that someday I would have such a house and such a car, trips, beautiful branded things, and now all this has become my reality. And I mean, be honest, you want this too, right? Like, make good money without risks, have long-term goals and great knowledge? Psst. Wanna know a secret? It's real. And I'll tell you more, you are capable of this. Do you want to know how? I'll tell you now. My name is Agatha, I'm 27, I'm a trader from Czech Republic. I've been trading binary options for 3 years now, but in general, I've been in the trading business for 7 years. And you are very lucky with me, because I'm a shining example of how a simple person with an ordinary, boring job working for cents can turn into a successful trader and earn millions of dollars a year. Okay, let's do it this way. I will teach you everything, but first, subscribe to my channel here and turn on the notification bell on YouTube. On my Telegram channel, I post step-by-step instructions on new prospects for your financial freedom. Link in the description below this video. Subscribe there too. Be nice.
I came across Agata's video on YouTube on how to trade binary options.
Thank you very much indeed, Agata.
I joined her group and I've been making a really good profit.
I recommend Agata to everybody.
She explained to me what I was doing wrong.
This lady is phenomenal, man.
Agata is simply fantastic.
My dreams are gonna get fulfilled.
I have an army.
We have
Agatha.
So, how does the life of a trader work? Let's get into it. My day usually starts early in the morning around 6 o'clock. I'm sure that a good start of the day is the key to success. So I begin with a healthy breakfast and light exercise. It helps clear my mind, get into the right frame of mind and prepare for the challenges ahead. After my morning exercise, I head to my home office, where I spend most of the day doing market analysis and taking trades. Thanks to my experience, I know how to use various technical indicators and algorithms to spot opportunities in the market. One of the traits of my work as a trader is the ability to quickly adapt to changing market conditions. I constantly follow the news. This allows me to make informed decisions and take advantage of any possible changes in market sentiment. During the day, I also participate in webinars and online forum discussions where we share ideas and strategies with other traders. Do you know how valuable this is? It seems like there is no one in your home office except you, but you are not alone. Despite the fact that I started trading binary options not long ago, I managed to make a stable income out of it. This finally allowed me to lead a comfortable lifestyle and enjoy it to the fullest. I love traveling to exotic places, dining at fine restaurants and shopping for designer clothes. Of course, my education played a significant role in my success as a trader. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science and statistics from the Prague University of Economics. Needless to say, it gave me a solid foundation for data analysis. In addition, having completed 3 years, it is profitable, interesting, and profitable again.
I'm talking about this.
After all, before becoming a trader, I worked as an auditor for a consulting company. I certainly benefited from that experience, but I always felt that I wanted to have more control over my financial future. Trading allowed me to take my destiny into my own hands, achieve financial independence, and enjoy all the pleasures of life. I can't wait to see what the future holds for me. After all this is far from the limit. Oh, I had a nice time even though I told you so little. Do you want to know more, my loves? Then subscribe to my Telegram. There is really a lot of interesting stuff there. I'll be waiting for you. Ciao.